Namaste and hello from me to you. I'm Sharmila and welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself. So, continuing with our Focus 4 series, today we concentrate on 4 words: new, king, list, listen. So, let's start with new. K-N-E-W, new. Knew about, knew how, just knew. Renew knew from her heart that being a doctor was something she wanted to do. Everybody knew she could speak English well. She taught her students everything she knew. Bob, I never knew you played the guitar. You played so well. I never knew you liked idli sambar. I would have prepared it for you. The second word is king. K-I-N-G, king. The king. King size bed. The king of chess. King crab. The king is the most important piece of the chess. Arun acted the part of King Krishnadevaraya in the play. The lion is the king of beasts. The eagle is the king of birds. King size beds are really big. The third word is list, L-I-S-T, list, price list, word list, waiting list, shopping list, list of names. List to the side. What do you mean by list to the side? List to the side means to tilt to one side. Tilt to one side. If a ship, S-H-I-P, ship has a list, that means it has leaned to one side. Dina made a long shopping list. Dina, show me that list. I need to see the shopping list. We need a complete list of all the people who are attending the function. Come on, let's make a guest list. Our guest list includes friends and also the friends of family members. I have a list of things I need to do. Denmark is on my list of places that I would like to visit. The fourth word is listen, L-I-S-T-E-N, listen. Listen to, listen carefully, listen again. Listen to this noise. Don't you think it's a strange noise? Yes, I do. Listen to your teenage children carefully. When they talk to you, understand what they are trying to tell. You need to listen for the hidden meaning when they talk to you. Nia listens attentively to the teacher. Stop disturbing Tina. You need to listen to the class. Listen to what the teacher is trying to tell us. There is only one rule for being a good talker. Learn to listen. I listen to music. Listen to understand, not to respond. Listen, learn, and lead. The biggest communication problem is we don't listen to understand. We listen to reply. So with this, we have completed the second set of 20 words in the series of Focus 4. Let's revise with the second set of 20 words. Feel, family, fire, farm, fast, fi, girl, ground, govern, happen, half, heard, hour, 100, hold, interest, new, king, list, listen. So as always in my English speaking classes, what I say is, please listen to what I'm saying, repeat the sentences and keep on practicing, because until and unless you don't go on with these 3 steps, it becomes a little bit difficult to speak English confidently. So as the words are going on, we have completed with the second set of Focus 4 series, that is 40 words in all. So totally now, if you are following my Focus series, you have completed 340 words, and it's not a small number. You have already jumped over the 65% mark of knowing the English words that we speak on a daily basis. So if you are persistent, naturally you can speak English confidently in the next few months. That's all in this video today. Meet you again in my next lesson. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed, take care. Be happy always. Thank you for being my inspiration.